Hello everyone, welcome to the session on multinomial distribution. I am Prasanna. So the multinomial distribution is the generalization of binomial distributions. If you want to know what binomial distribution is, then please do check out the video given in the description. Multinomial distribution, it is used to classify, as mentioned, the Bernoulli binomial categorical distributions, different distributions. So based on the k and n value, k stands for possible outcomes. That is, if it is what are the possible outcomes in a scenario, and a number of trials used. So if the possible outcomes is 2, say for example, if we toss a coin, there is a possibility of head and tail. So there are 2 possible outcomes, and the number of times that we toss the coin is n. So when it is equal to 1 and possible outcome 2, then it is Bernoulli. If it is equal to 2, also the 2 possible outcomes like head and tails, but the number of trials, number of times that we toss the coin is more than 1, then it is called binomial distribution. If the number of possible outcomes is greater than 2 and number of trials is equal to 1, then it is categorical distribution. At last, let's see the difference between the multinomial naive Bayes and binomial naive Bayes. So as we discussed the different types of multinomial distribution, and let's now focus on the difference between these two, multinomial and Bernoulli. So features that follow the multinomial distributions, as for example, the car features such as boot, trunk, seat belt, 4 tires, etc. are called features. These set of data features follow this binomial distribution. So it can be either anything of it, binomial or anything. So it follows this distribution. So it is used with discrete data, like for example, number of positive reviews, number of times the coins are tossed. It will not have any decimal or fractional data values, so it will be a fixed, finite, counted values. So the feature values are, as mentioned, is represented as word count. So for example, the number of times the word boot, or the number of times the word seat belt, or the number of times the word four, which is the 4 tires, appears in the description. Vehicle description is nothing but the word counts. So for detailed description about detailed explanation of naive Bayes, please check out the video in the description for naive Bayes. So the Bernoulli, other way around, it explicitly follows this Bernoulli distribution type of multinomial. So, and the features is binary outcome, that is, it can be either word is present or not present. So it can take only 2 values. Word is present or not present. So this is the difference between the two. Thanks for listening.